It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2024 Maverick XL in iconic silver with onyx and medium slate cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a 4-foot box, and you have this nice tray in the box as well. It's a 2.5 liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, front wheel drive. It also has drive modes and trailer tow hitch, many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 2.5 liter hybrid engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a front wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. You've got a nice carpeted mat on the floor, your high mount light, gas cap release, and you've got your lighting controls. On the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will also come up. And just take a second there. And it's telling you that it's ready to drive, and you're seeing that green ready on the left hand side, and that's because this is a hybrid, so it's super quiet, and it uses the battery, the lithium-ion battery, when you're idling or about to repel, and then the gas will kick in. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to plug it in, it just automatically does it. In the center, we have our display screen, and you've got sources, AM, FM, Bluetooth, and we've got our settings we can slide through for different options. You can change the look of the display screen, and this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So I've got the vehicle in reverse, and we're seeing the lines green, yellow, red, just telling us how close we are to other objects or vehicles, and the center line right off the back bumper. This is just a protective cover, that little thing that you're seeing the tab there, and that'll come off when the vehicle's sold. Volume and tuner and your hazard lights. Down below is your fan, front defrost, AC and max AC, and that's your climate control, USB-C and USB, and you've got a nice little place to put items, and then you've got your shifter, dial shifter, electronic parking brake, and auto hold. So if you're on an incline or you're towing, you would use that, traction control, and then drive mode. So as we press through, you're going to see it change: normal, tow haul, slippery, eco, and sport. So as road conditions and weather conditions change, you may want to adapt using the drive modes to get more or less traction or control. Then we've got cup holders and cubbies. The armrest opens up, lots of room in there. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and you have a manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls. Just put that on. Sunglass holder, and we've got a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle is in the rear as well and has a lock. Just below the Ford badge is where your backup camera is located, and you have a trailer tow hitch. When you're ready to open it up, you just put your hand in the latch. Got this nice tray in the bottom, tie downs in all 4 corners, and then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage in the door, as well as power windows, and they're seating for 3 with a bench seat. So you just pull the tab. There's one on either end, but you only need to pull one, and then you have storage underneath, and then just bring it back down. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a 12-volt located there, and just below you can actually 3D print cup holders or little table, whatever you want. And then you've got hooks and handles off to the side, dome lighting up top, and a big window in the rear. Trailer tow hitch in the rear, and you have a bed liner as well, mud flaps, 4-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.